You know, I was talking to a developer friend of mine the other day. Let's call her Rachel.
Brilliant. She built this incredible web scraper that pulls Amazon data in milliseconds.
Listed it on a big API marketplace. But between the 20% fees and the 6-day payout delay, she was getting crushed. I asked her, why not move it? She said one word, refactoring. She didn't have time to rewrite her code, so she felt stuck. And I found Agnic Hub. It's a decentralized marketplace, but here's the massive unlock. 0 refactoring.
The economics, 0% fees. You keep everything. And the payouts are instant, switched over. A client hits her API now, and the money hits her wallet that exact second. No middleman.
Here is my proposal to every API developer listening. Try it. It is a completely risk-free bet.
Change your code. You just open a new instant revenue channel where you keep 100% of the upside.